Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to send photos, videos and documents via Signal application. If you want to easily send photos, videos and documents using the Signal app, then here is how you do it. First of all, open Signal application and log into your account. Once logged in from the main chat screen, go ahead and tap on the pencil button at the top right corner. Now select a contact to start a new conversation. Once you're inside the conversation page with the contact, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus button. Now, to send a new photo or video, you may need to allow access for Signal to connect with your device's camera roll. After allowing that, go to the Photos option. Now, this will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select photos or videos you want to send. After choosing the photo or video, click on Add at the top right and then click on the Send arrow at the bottom right to send in the video or the photo to the contact. If you want to send documents, then tap on the same plus icon at the bottom left and then select File from the menu. You can also select documents or files you would want to send to the contact, and that's it. Now you know how to send photos, videos and documents or files through Signal application, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.